my channel. Hope you all are doing great. I hope you all are safe at your home. Today's video would be a get ready with me for Rakhi video. I wanted to do this for a long time, and today I might not look very fresh and very good because I'm not that well, but I had to make this video today. I had to shoot it today and upload it by today night, so because tomorrow is Rakhi, obviously I cannot do this video or post this video after Rakhi. So yeah, today I'm just going to tell you what are the products that I'm using, and it will be a very simple, a subtle makeup look for Rakhi, because obviously first of all, it's very hot in Kolkata. You wouldn't want to dump so much of makeup on your face, and secondly, all these homely rituals, in all these homely rituals, it's it's better to actually, I mean, everyone has their own choices, that's there, but I actually prefer to keep it a bit simple, okay, so that you can wear the makeup for a long time and all throughout the day, and you feel comfortable in it. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Back of tying my hair, and now I'm going to spit some of the rose water from Forest Essential Luxurious Ayurveda. I mean, this has a very, very calming effect. I love this toner. Then I'm using Lotus Professional from Lotus Professionals Rejuvena. I mean, this is also, I love this moisturizer, 2 bits. I mean, that's why. So I'm using this. This gives a very mattifying effect. It gives a very, very matte look and still moisturizes your face. Now then I'm using, as you know, I don't have primer now, but I'll arrange it soon. So I'm using Patanjali Aloe Vera Gel. All links of all the products will be mentioned in the description box. So I'm not showing it, because in the previous video I've showed all the products, and all the links will be given in the description box. So do check that out. Okay. So if you feel that your face has a lot of pores in it, only that portion apply this aloe vera gel. This also gives a quite nice glowing kind of an effect. Just smoothens your face. For that I'm using again Lakme's Serum Foundation with SPF 45. Now this has a sheer to medium coverage. The coverage is not super wow, but for a daily, like if you want to use a foundation for daily wear, you can go for this, because it gives a dewy glowy effect, but not artificially, it will not make you look artificially white or something, which is that is the thing I like about this foundation. Now I think foundation pump packaging is much more convenient than this dropper kind of packaging. Do let me know, guys, what do you think about this in the comment section below. Okay, now I'll just blend everything with my beauty blender. Can you see, guys, it has a very, very sheer to medium coverage, very, very good, right here. But it's not hiding it perfectly. Maybe I have to apply 2 or 3 more rounds, then it might. Let me try applying 1 more layer. Okay, only on the parts that I'm only on my blemishes and the pimple marks. still it's not covering that. Moving on to my eye makeup. So I'll be using two palettes. One is this Wet n Wild and another one is from Lakme. I love this palette to bits. The colors are so gorgeous and it's super pigmented. I mean, just love this palette. And okay, now I'll start with this transition color. Right over here. I'll just I'll try and keep it a bit Indian. First I'll complete this this eye. Okay, then I'll do the same thing with this eye and then I'll come back to you. First I'll show you. Then finally I'll be using this one, this nice peachy nude color. Okay, now I'm done with my eye makeup. Now I'll move on to my brows. For this I'm using this eyebrow pencil which I bought from Miniso. If I get the link, I'll put it down in the description box. It's very convenient actually. You have a spoolie at one end and the product at the other end. It's a retractable pencil. Now I'm softening everything up with the help of a spoolie so that it doesn't look very artificial. Okay, now I'm going to put some of the highlight the inner corners of my eyes and on my brow bone right here by using this Miss Claire eyeshadow. Okay, now I'm going to use eyeliner from L'Oreal Paris. It's the L'Oreal Paris Linear Magique. Doing this eye. Now I'll be using some of this color, orange color, from the Lakme palette on my lower lash line just to give it a my eyes a more wider effect. Now I'll be putting some of the kajal on my lower lash line. Actually, make sure that you put the kajal from here to here, not all the way inside the inner corners of your eyes. That will make your eyes look small. After this, I'll be putting some mascara on the upper lids and the lower lids. Okay, done with that. So after that, I'll be using some concealer, to conceal if there's any fallout. Not much, it might look a bit cakey. Altogether, yeah. So after this, I'll be using some of the contour. This is the Wet n Wild contour. It's a Mega Glow contour. When you apply contour on the top of your head, it makes your face look smaller, and it feels like that your face is all put together and it looks sleeker. Okay, then after that, I'll be using this same eyeshadow from Miss Claire, and I'll use it as highlighter. I'll not be using too much actually. Okay, and before that, it's very hot in nowadays, so I'll be using some of this powder, face powder from Maybelline New York. And actually, I forgot this step. This should be done before the contouring part, just in order to set the parts of the face where you tend to sweat a lot, so that you don't sweat a lot. After that, I'm nearly done with my makeup. I'll just be using the highlighter. Which again, I'm using the same eyeshadow from Miss Claire. I mean, it works fine as a highlighter. You don't need like something separate in order to highlight your face. So this is my final look, guys. Let me know what you think about it down in the comment section. I have just used a dupatta, and I've just done my hair, and obviously a bindi, because no Indian makeup is complete without a bindi. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Style Potion. Thank you so much for watching, and lately I've got so much support from you guys. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much for showing such love, and yeah, stay safe and enjoy your day, and happy Raksha Bandhan. Okay, see you all in the next video. Bye.